In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on LinkedIn without opening their profile. We all know how important it is to have control over who can view our LinkedIn profile, but sometimes you might want to block someone without letting them know you visited their page. This guide will show you how to do that safely and anonymously in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you are logged into your LinkedIn account. Now, it's important to note that while you cannot block someone without visiting their profile, there is a way to do this without alerting them that you viewed it. The trick is to switch your account to private mode. To get started, head over to your LinkedIn profile page. Look up at the top menu where you see Me next to your profile picture and give it a click. Then you'll want to select Settings and Privacy. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find several options. Click on Visibility and then go to Profile Viewing Options. Here, you will see a few different modes for how you appear when viewing others' profiles. What you want to do is select Private Mode. This ensures that the person you want to block won't be notified when you visit their page. Now that you're in private mode, you can search for the person you wish to block. Once you've located them, navigate to their profile. You'll see a More button near the top, so go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down menu, select Block or Report. Follow the prompts to complete the process. This should only take a few moments. Once you've finished this process, it's time to switch your profile viewing settings back to normal. Just select your name and headline again to restore everything to how it was before. And that's it. You have successfully blocked someone on LinkedIn discreetly. I hope this video helped you maintain the LinkedIn experience exactly the way you want it. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon for notifications on new uploads. Thank you for watching and have a great day.